Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam da kasngi. Myntri Rangbah ka jilla Meghalaya u Conrad K.Sangma kasngi thohdieng ulalum ya ka jingïalang but u President ka Indian Olympic Association IOA u PT Usha lingba ka video conference ha ka jingïalang ki officer ka Meghalaya Olympic Association MOA. Hagani ka jingya kendu na kaliang jong Myntri Rangbah ka jilla ula batai ha President ka IOA ya ka jinglong bala kre bat pen kre jong ka jilla ban pediang ya ka National Games ka balai phu kandai ha usnam arajar arnyo. Myntri Rangbah ula pentim bahagini ki sausnem baladem ka jilla kalabay pizza ha ka bathau yikilat jingele kai kenthop ya ka jingpenhe ya ka JN Sports Complex ha Shillong ka madan ya le kai wa ya jer ha Janti Hills bat ka PA Sangma Integrated Sports Complex hatura bat kiwi ki jaga ya le kai bapher Ula pentip ru baganong ba Shillong kala job ban pelong ki babun ki jingele kai ki bakentup ya ka North East Games hausnem arhajar arpuar South Asian Games hausnem arhajar khatn riu bat hagini ki laisnem bala dep kala ju pelong man ka por ya ka Meghalaya Games. Commissioner Sport and Youth Affairs Dr. D.V.J. Kumar ula pentip ba ka jilla kala ya soy ka jingyate bat ka IOA hausnem arhajar khatpra. Ha kabakanong ba Shillong kanong ba nong pediang bat artali kiwi pat kinong ba kata ketura bat jawai kin pediang ye kijat jingele kai bapher na kabenta ki jingele kai jungkari. President ka IOA ula ong ba kasenjuk kadang perkhat ban ailat ye ka jilla Meghalaya ban pelong ya ki jingele kai. Mentah usnem ye ki jingele kai la pelong ha Uttarakhand bat ha usnem arhajar arpnriu onnum pelong shu ye ka jingele kai national namar ba ka India kan pelong ye ka Asian Games ha usnem banwan.
Very keen to do this in Meghalaya. We are pushing all aspects from infrastructure to all other related issues that are there to ensure that we are ready. In the last few years, we have invested hugely in sports, and a large amount of investments have been made. Meghalaya Games now are being held on an annual basis. So there is a very strong push towards overall sports in our state, and we really need your blessings to make this happen. And I assure you that this will be something that the association will not regret, and we will give all that we have to make this happen. So
we have a very good working relationship with the MSOA and all the sports associations. We have spent a lot of money on sports infrastructure in the last 5 years under the guidance and leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, and we are making a lot of effort to promote sport and use it to engage our youth. Next, we are partnering with the associations, and infrastructure especially has been a huge focus, and the recently held Durand Cup was also a huge success. Now we have the infrastructure. Next. So basically in terms of infrastructure, we are ready. We have probably 4 years ago we were not ready, but today most of our things are done or they will be completed by 25 end. Next, to host, as we discussed before, also the 39 national games which will happen in 27, and for us early 27 is the best time from the perspective of weather and from the perspective of our readiness and various other things. So I'll stop here and I'll request our Honorable Chief Minister.
Is because Northeast, of course, has a very strong love for sports, and many sports persons are coming up in this region, and an event like this would really motivate them and push them, and we will be able to see the impact of that in the years to come. So the opportunity to really push the overall scene of sports can happen with this one games. It's not just about Meghalaya, but it's really about the Northeast as a whole. It's the last games were held in 2007, 2008, so that's almost about 18 years back. And we would be really happy to host this because, as I said, it would be not just an opportunity to host a game like this, but it is more importantly a chance to the sports persons, especially from the Northeast, and it will be a great motivation for them. And as I said, a great opportunity for us. So we really look forward, and we really would like to once again appeal to you as a government to give us an opportunity to host this prestigious event.
But the Meghalaya has done MOU on 2018. So of mind. We wanted to give it to Meghalaya, and because we want to support Northeast.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I will do the needful. In fact, I'm meeting Honorable Home Minister tomorrow.
I'm sure Meghalaya also will be able to contribute to the Olympic dream that Honorable Prime Minister has set, that we have bid for 2036. And I hope that we will, Meghalaya will contribute greatly into that, in producing adequate athletes.